In this tutorial, we will be going over how to check the size of the ProWatch PWNT database in SQL Management Studio. I will also show you how to check the row count of other tables within the PWNT database as well. When running ProWatch on SQL Express, the size of the ProWatch database must be under 10 gigs. It is imperative to keep the size of the database small due to SQL's restriction size. Otherwise, the PWNT database will crash. To check the size of the PWNT database, first, open SQL Management Studio. Make sure the information on the login screen is correct and click on the Connect button. Click on Databases, then right-click on PWNT and click on Properties. The Size field is located on the right. This will give you the total size of the database. Click on OK. To determine how many rows of data a table has within the PWNT database, right-click on PWNT and choose New Query. On the right, type in the following select statement. For example, to check the unacknowledged alarms, type in select space count space open parenthesis asterisk close parenthesis space from space unack underscore al, and above click on execute, and as you can see, my database has 1,854 unacknowledged alarms. The row count of any table under PWNT can be assessed by using this command by replacing unack underscore al with the desired table name. For more information and videos, please visit Honeywell discovertraining.com.